Hello and welcome to WMIGO, a new utility by JaveLLin Solutions. In short, WMIGO is a combination of inventory management movement types combined with warehouse management movements. So what we do is we combine your IM movements of storage location to storage location and combine those with your bins and storage types as well, all in one single step. Now, right now, if your inventory looks at all like this screen that we're showing right here, you'll notice that there's a whole bunch of pieces of stock for this one material that are in some place called 921 transfer, or 922 TR zone, or 998 off NAMI. To your standard inventory person, what does this mean? I mean, these are places that don't exist. You don't know where to go find this stuff. And worst of all, how did it get there and how do I get it out of there? Or perhaps if you looked at LB10, to look at your list of transfer requirements, do you see a list like this of all sorts of transfer requirements that could be hours, days, weeks, or even months old? You know, if you have this sort of situation where you have all of these lingering TRs or TOs just hanging out there, all because somebody forgot to do the warehouse management transactions to move them from place to place, maybe it was just somebody forgot to confirm a transfer order, it doesn't matter. When you use the standard MB1A, MB1B, MB1C, or MIGO, this is a sort of situation that can happen. WMIGO gets rid of this. So in short, WMIGO can not only save your warehouse people time, but it will also clean up your inventory situation and prevent scenarios like this where random TRs don't linger out there for days, weeks, months. Because let's be honest, does your warehouse person really understand what off-NAMI is? Or does he need to? So without further ado, I'd like to show you the transaction we created. Right now we call it WMIGO. So if you look, for example, if we go through and we just want to do a standard 561 parts from heaven, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to enter in 10 materials. Now it's going to tell me, hey, this is storage location 2000 is warehouse managed. So because of that, I need to tell it what bin am I going to put it in. So the transaction is instantly smart enough to know, is your storage location warehouse managed or just inventory managed? And if it does, it's going to pop up a destination storage bin and type, or perhaps even a source storage bin and type, depending on your movement type, or maybe even both. Now, just to show you that we can do this, we can go ahead and we can assign some serial numbers automatically since this is parts from heaven. If I go through and check this, it's going to tell me that there's no errors. So we've incorporated the check functionality that was existing in MIGO, and we've pulled that in here. And now I'm ready that I'd like to do a post. Now as soon as I post, you notice now that I instantly get confirmation of two different documents. One, I see the standard material document that I always got from MIGO or MB1A, B, or C. And now in addition, I get my transfer order. Now the other thing that WMIGO does for you is it doesn't matter what scenario we're talking about. So if you have a TR generator for a movement type, WMIGO will convert that TR into a TO and confirm it. If you have nothing created, WMIGO will just create the transfer order, confirm it, complete it. Or if it's a transfer posting, you'll actually get both transfer orders to go through and be confirmed to show your movements in and movements out. Now there's a ton of other functionality in here, but I'm going to leave it at this for now. If you have interest in learning more about what WMIGO can do for you and your organization, please contact us at JaveLLinsolutions.com. and we'll be happy to give you a full demo, show you all the ins and outs of the functionality, and begin saving your warehouse time and accuracy.